today I think I have a pretty special day planned. So I just got done cutting the grass because it needed to be done. So I think today will be a gun range day. Oh yeah. So this will be my first posting from the range. Just going to take some pistols out and get a little bit of shot time in because I'm a little overdue. It's been too long since I've been in there. Had a lot been going on. And if y'all just watching this, make sure y'all check out my last 2 videos. And from there, we're going to get it started. But before I get to the gun range, I got some other things I need to do. So today, y'all just roll with me and let's get it popping. Alright, so currently I'm on my way to the barbershop because I'm looking mighty rough, and it is the Saturday before Easter Sunday. It's already about 10 a.m. and for those of y'all who know, the barbershop is gonna be packed just because it's before Easter Sunday. And you know everybody got to be fresh for Easter Sunday. So, let me go ahead and get there. Alright, y'all. Got my hair cut. Needless to say, I was in there forever. But, you know, cleaned up. Much needed, but yeah, it's 1:13 p.m. now. The struggle was real. That's all I can say. The struggle was real. But y'all stay tuned and keep on keeping on and continuing on with me as we stay moving through the day. Hey y'all, and I'm back, and I'm back in the car, running some errands and stuff before I get to the range. I have a co-pilot with me. For those of you who saw my last video, we got RJ in the back seat. And another very special guest whose idea was to run this errand. Hey, Ma.
Hey.
She's kind of camera shy, but anyway, we're going to make a quick run to the Naval Reserve Base in Belle Chasse, Louisiana. Yes, I can't get on the base because I am a military veteran. I have a video more about that later. But for right now, y'all just go ahead and enjoy the ride with us. Alright y'all, we back, and we are here in the base commissary. So, for those of you who aren't military, it basically means it's the grocery store. Nothing special, just regular old grocery store. Just change the name of the commissary and that's what it is. Alright, so just finished up doing some grocery shopping in the commissary out here on base. Now I have to get my mother and son and all the groceries home, and from there to the gun range. am back at it, and finally am now on my way to the range. And I have a very special guest with me. Earlier y'all saw I had RJ with me and I had my mama with me. But on this trip, with the pops, say hey, Dad.
Hey.
So we're gonna go over here to the range, throw a couple rounds down, and yeah, it's gonna be a good time. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Chest, one to the head. That's two to the chest, one to the head. All good hits. Canik TP9, 9mm, Turkish pistol. So this shoots pretty good, full size. Same thing, 3 rounds to the chest. We're here at the range, and I'm letting Dad finish off the last of the ammo. He's going in, doing his thing with the TP9 SL full size 9mm and the Glock 26 compact, aka Baby Glock. We just finished up at the shooting range. Me and my dad. Dad, this is your first time going to the gun range. How did you feel about it?
That was pretty cool. Pretty cool. It was okay.
Okay. How did you feel when you were nervous? Or?
At first, I was nervous. I was nervous at first, but after I shot a couple of times, I kind of leveled out and settled down.
So is it more scary or less scary than what you thought it would be?
I didn't think it was gonna be scary. I was just kind of nervous, wanted to make sure I ain't do nothing wrong.
To all you new shooters out there, that is the correct way to be. Always be cautious and be aware of your surroundings, as well as safety measures, precautions, and things to do and not to do at the range or with the firearm at all times. But so overall, you say it was a good time?
Good time. I enjoy it. I enjoy hanging out with you more than anything else.
Yes. Dad likes hanging out with me. Take that, Jeremy. No, I'm playing. If y'all don't know, that's my little brother. I'll get him on the vlog one of these days too. But yeah, this is some good time with me and my dad. Me and my mom was in the commissary earlier and taking a ride, and now off to go home and to relax. So until next time, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to SwissDecks me. And till next time, peace.